Comprehensive insulation solutions for buildings, HVAC, and industrial systems. Luya has dedicated itself to insulation and thermal materials for 20 years, driving growth through technology. From raw material sourcing to finished product dispatch, we strictly control every step. Rubber foam pipes are used for hot-cold pipes insulation, combining thermal insulation and sound damping effects. Glass wool and rock wool are ideal for HVAC ducts, walls, roofs, and building insulation systems. Each material supports customized dimensions, thicknesses, and surface lamination options. With multi-country export experience, our footprint spans more than 10 countries and regions. Welcome to request samples, technical documents, and professional consultation. Let the cooperation start from understanding.